In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a static front page and blog page in WordPress. Whether you're building a website for your personal blog or a business, understanding how to customize your front page and blog page is a crucial step in creating a professional and user-friendly site. This simple process will help your website stand out and ensure that visitors can easily navigate your content. Let's start by making our way to the WordPress dashboard. If you're not already familiar with it, the dashboard is your main command center for all things WordPress. It's where you'll manage content, tweak settings, and add new features. Once you're there, look for the Settings option on the left-hand menu. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu, and from that menu, you'll want to select Reading. This Reading Settings page is where all the magic happens regarding how your site displays its homepage and blog section. Now, once you're on the Reading Settings page, you'll notice a section labeled Your Homepage Displays. Here you have the option to define what visitors see when they first come to your site. Typically, WordPress sites are set to display your latest blog posts, but we're going to change that setting to display a static page. So go ahead and select the A Static Page, select below option. This choice allows you to pick specific pages for your homepage and your blog. After making that selection, you'll be presented with two drop-down menus. Let's tackle each of these one at a time, starting with the homepage drop-down. Click on it, and from the list of pages that you've created, choose the page you want to use as your static front page. This page might be something you've creatively titled, like Home, or any other page designed to welcome visitors with the most important information about your site. Next, move on to the Posts page dropdown. This is where you'll designate a page to serve as your blog section. Simply click the dropdown and choose the empty page you've set aside for this purpose. Often, people will simply name this page Blog, keeping things straightforward and intuitive for site visitors. Once you've made your selections, the final step is critical. You'll want to scroll down to the bottom of the Reading Settings page and find the Save Changes button. Clicking this will apply your settings, so your WordPress site now displays a static homepage with your blog posts neatly organized on the selected blog page. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully customized your WordPress site to feature a dedicated front page and a separate blog page, creating a professional look that enhances user experience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy website building!